Hello, this is the AWS Solutions Architect Professional C02 preparation journey that I followed. And I want to share it with you when I have the first anniversary of passing the exam. I passed this exam on June 26, 2023. And I got this certificate from the AWS. And then this is the slide that is showing you the resources I used. The Cantrell course, the Stefan course from Udemy, and the John Borso course for practice tests, which is also available on Udemy. The links to these resources are available under the video. The Cantrell course is around 80 USD, and there are several bundles as well, which provide you some discounted prices. This is one of the best courses, and even if you are not preparing for the certification, you should have this resource to prepare for your AWS knowledge. And this is an awesome resource, I would say. I used it and it helped me a lot. Then the next one is the Stefan course. The Stefan course is more focused on the exam objectives, and you can purchase it in sale, and as well as if you purchase it on full price, it is around 70 USD plus. And this Stefan course is more worthful for the professionals which are already working in AWS and have lots of knowledge. Then they can just go through this Stefan course rather than going through the Cantrell course, because this will be more helpful for preparation in shorter time. It is around 20 to 25 hours, whereas Cantrell course is around 60 to 70 hours. The John Morzo practice tests are the key to prepare for the exam. They give you the real knowledge what is on the exam, and you must review all the answers after attempting each exam and learn from the reviews and the detailed explanations given. Those are really awesome. And then the exam details are like it is 300 USD exam. You get 50% discount if you have architect associate exam. You can get the discount code from your AWS certification profile, and you have to look for that. You also need to learn the elimination principle to correctly attempt the exams, as MCQs. It is a very useful principle to answer the questions. So one must have the solutions architect professional and DevOps certifications when he is working in AWS cloud. You can reach me out on my LinkedIn, and I wish you good luck for your exam. This guideline must be helpful for you in better prepare for your exam.